In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira plans, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're a project manager or part of a team, mastering Jira plans can greatly enhance how you oversee projects and resources. To get started, you'll first need to visit Atlassian's website, which serves as the home for professional collaboration software for IT, software, and business teams. If you've already got your browser open, navigate to Atlassian.com. This is where you'll kick off your journey with Jira plans. Next, you'll need to log in to access all the features available. Look for the Sign In link, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this link will redirect you to the login page. Here, you should enter your credentials to gain access to your Atlassian account. If you're not yet registered, take a moment to create an account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Jira homepage. This serves as the central hub for all your Jira-related activities and is the perfect launching point for managing your projects. Now, find and select the Plans option. This is where you'll manage and track your resources effectively. Simply locate and click the Plans tab to navigate to the dedicated area for planning. You'll be welcomed by an overview of your current plans. But what we want to do is take a step further and view all available plans. Locate and click on View All Plans to get a broader perspective. This allows you to manage multiple plans simultaneously and ensures you're on top of any ongoing or future projects. If you're looking to start fresh and create a new plan, the next step is quite simple. Initiate this process by selecting the Create Plan option. You'll find this button prominently displayed, inviting you to start organizing your projects. Clicking it will begin the creation process, guiding you through any specifics needed for your new plan. Once you've selected Create Plan, you'll be prompted to set up the basics of your plan. This includes giving your plan a distinctive name and optionally adding a description. Think about what's essential for this particular project. What are the key milestones? Who are the team members involved? Consider these factors as you configure your plan settings. And there you have it. You've now laid the groundwork for getting the most out of Jira plans. By following these steps, you can ensure your projects are organized efficiently with a clear overview of timelines and resources. As you become more familiar with the interface, remember to explore its many features, such as filtering by projects or teams, to further tailor your planning environment to your needs. Happy planning, and stay tuned for more insightful guides.